hard that the end of the day needs some description. Oh, beautiful release. Memories slip from my brain. Let me be empty. Oh, well, let some maybe find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark-cold hotel room and the endlessness that you feel. You are proof from the wreckage of your slavery. In the arms of the angel, may you find some comfort here. So tired of the street light, and everywhere you turn, the vultures and thieves at your back. Don't keep on twisting, keep on building.